Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked, but incredibly important for your fitness journey: stretching. You might think stretching is just a way to warm up or cool down, but it's so much more than that. In this video, we're going to explore how stretching can boost muscle recovery and enhance your performance. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. When you exercise, especially during intense workouts, your muscles undergo stress. This can lead to micro-tears in the muscle fibers, which is completely normal and part of how muscles grow stronger. But after your workout, your muscles need time to recover and rebuild. This is where stretching comes in. First up, stretching increases blood flow to your muscles. When you stretch, you're encouraging blood to flow into the muscle tissue, bringing with it oxygen and nutrients that are essential for muscle repair. This enhanced circulation speeds up the recovery process, helping to reduce soreness and get you back to your workouts faster. Next, let's talk about flexibility and range of motion. Regular stretching helps to elongate your muscles and increase their range of motion, making your body more flexible. When your muscles are more flexible, you can move more freely and with less effort, which can enhance your performance in any physical activity, whether it's lifting weights, running, or even just doing everyday tasks. Stretching isn't just about physical benefits. It also helps your nervous system relax. When you hold a stretch, especially deep or static stretches, your body activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Now, let's address injury prevention. When your muscles are tight, they're more prone to strains and injuries. Stretching helps to loosen those tight muscles, making them more resilient to the stresses of exercise. By improving your flexibility, you're not only enhancing your performance, but also reducing the risk of injuries that could sideline you from your fitness goals. So, what's the takeaway? Incorporating stretching into your routine isn't just an add-on. It's an essential part of optimizing your recovery and performance. Whether you're cooling down after a workout or dedicating time to a full stretching session, your muscles will thank you for it. Remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you stretch, the more benefits you'll see in your flexibility, performance, and overall muscle health. That's it for today's video. If you're ready to take your recovery and performance to the next level, make sure to incorporate stretching into your routine. Whether it's a quick stretch after your workout or a dedicated flexibility session, every little bit counts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might need a reminder to stretch, and hit that subscribe button for more tips on fitness and wellness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.